Mama, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm not fine. I'm not fine, I'm not fine.
Mama, I brought your medicine.
Did you see Nana in his cups? How did he look like?
No, Mama.
Chibo! Hey, I was hoping to see my son grow into a man and get married and baby grandchildren. But fate did not allow it. Fate did not allow it. Chibo.
Mama, get
Mama, why is life so unfair?
Mama, stop.
Why life so unfair? Chibo, Wamona Chibo.
Mother, you just have to believe it. This girl is a lunatic. She's a mad girl from nowhere.
My son, you are wrong. You are very wrong. There is something I saw in that girl today.
Mother, you've been far from this land. People know her. Okay, Mother, what do you think she knows about the king?
Okay. Her tale was about her dumb brother who was butchered with axe. And the king whose nobility she questions.
I didn't get you, Mother. I didn't get you right.
My son, there is something I saw in that girl today. We must go for her.
We must go for her.
We must go for her.
What did you do? I want her to stay. You mean you boys? Shh. She's safe with us. Nobody would know.
But Mama, you're endangering our lives.
But we are not telling anybody, are we?
I know.
You don't know how I feel each night we go to bed without your sister. I have missed her so much.
Mama, I missed her too. But she just have to
let her sleep for just this night. Pico. This once. Pico.
Alright, but she has to leave tomorrow morning. First thing tomorrow morning, she has to leave.
So whatever. She will. Pico. Thank you, woman. Thank you. Dalo. Thank you.
Odnaka! You mean you supported the man in poisoning my food?
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I didn't know she poisoned your food.
Mama, why? Why?
Uju, Pico, forgive me. I am sorry.
You know what? I have to go now.
No, please don't go anywhere.
Don't leave. It's broad day. Don't leave.
Mama, I want your daughter. Please let me pass.
No, you don't have to.
Odnaka, let me pass.
Let
me pass it! You don't have Odnaka! Mama, talk to your daughter. Mama, please come. Get out!
But you don't have to go now. People will see her outside there. I don't want people to know what is going on. People will see her. Don't go. Let her be.
No. Don't go. Mama, take this girl. Odnaka, leave me alone.
Please don't go.
Get out. You don't go. Okay. I'm not going. I'm not going.
Would you make any man know be
I'm not going now.
Please don't.
I'm not going. I'm not going.
Mama, talk to her so that she will not go. You talk to her so that she will not go.
Let her be. Let her be.
Uju. Mama. I have to go with her. I have to make sure that she's safe.
They go to protect.
No. Oh, Mama, no. Uju. How can this be happening? The gods of our land, where are you?
No! The land is no longer safe for us. Go! Please! Come! Just no matter how anything, okay? I'll be on what you want. Hurry up! Go! Hurry up! Chioma, come on. Let's go this way. I'm up. Where do we go from here? Let's go back. Come, my name.
Aziza.
sorry, my dear. Oh, I'm tired. I'm tired. You don't need to be tired. Get up. Mama, let's see. Let's see. Hold me tightly. I am tired. Hold me tightly. Hold me tightly. Oh my God! The guys of Orlando! My slippers! Sorry, my dear. Mama, be careful. Chukwuka, be careful. I'm tired. I'm tired. I can't go again. I'm not going. You can't do this. Let's get to
Aziza. He is the strongest in the land. He rules with a mighty hand. He is feared by everyone. His eyes, his power, his God. Aziza. 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 He is the strongest in the land. He rules with a mighty hand. He is feared by everyone. His eyes, his power, his God. Aziza. Aziza.
The king at the farmland of 4 palm. The farmland of 4 palm trees.
No, I am confused. Nobody knows her origin. She's not from this land. Where is she from?
The very day she came here, she said that her dumb brother was butchered with an axe.
Yes. That was exactly what she told me. And that a king gave her an assurance word of safety.
Now, which king are you talking about? Who is the king? That's the question. We don't even know the king.
Well, she didn't mention a name. She did not mention a name. But the introduction of axe as a weapon was done by Aziza. Aziza introduced axe as a weapon in this kingdom.
Come and see. Come and see. and see, come and see, come and see.
What is it?
Come and see, come and see, come and see, come and see, come and see.
This morning, oh! Hey! What happened? Hey!
Let me have that.
What is the name of the king you are talking about?
The farmland. The farmland.
Are you okay?
The farmland.
The farmland? Which farmland? You are talking about the king. Which farmland?
Farmland of 4 boundaries.
Farmland of 4 boundaries.
The king.
Why are all those gifts? Look, I was sincere when I told you I have no idea of Prince whereabouts. Before, no. I don't know anything, honestly.
Azoka. These gifts have nothing to do with disappearance of my son. They are just harmless gifts from the heart.
Ibe, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm no more crying. Hey, Ibe, God bless you. No. Chukwuka, see again. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Dad.
Thank you. You shall live long.
Dad.
Your Highness.
Thank you.
Your Highness.
Take these things to the house.
Yes, Your Highness.
Hey, what? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Lolo. Thank you.
Good day, Your Highness. Ichamichi, good day.
Good day, Your Highness.
Who are these people?
Aga
Where are you, my prince? We were united by fate, blessed by destiny. But the wicked hands of this world have separated us. The land of Amokwe has snatched the only thing that matters to the poor. Anichebe, please come to my aid, please.
Your Highness, we found her in a farmland where she was killed.
Where exactly did you find her?
A farmland in Ametiti. That's where.
Samankwe.
Yes, my lord.
Bring Isioma and her second daughter.
Yes, my lord.
Guards, bury her.
You. Who are you? Would you remove your cap? You're standing before the wood.
Oh, Your Highness.
What? She's a woman. Please get her. Ichi, who are these people?
Strangers, my king. They traveled a long way to our land with a pathetic story. When I met them, they were weak and tired.
Where are you people from?
Igwe, I'm okay. I bundi I'm okay.
Igwe, I'm okay. I'm okay. The rule of that land. The rule of that land. Igwe. Not even a crippled maiden is safe in that land. A land where the king is a rapist. I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Allow the woman to speak for herself.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, Igwe. Thank you, Lolo.
Your Highness, our king is a he-goat, Your Highness.
Bam! I said it.
Iti.
His possession over my sister is the reason why we flew out of our land of birth. Please, Your Highness, I beg you, let us stay. Please, we beg you.
Please, stand.
I've been molested so many times. You have to help forgive me.
What?
Please get up. Please get up.
Please.
Amuma, why are you being impossible? Making it sound as if I'm sending you on exile. I told you the land is no longer safe. How many people have drawn their dagger, their sword, everything against us?
And who says I cannot take care of myself? This you get worse, I can use the axe.
Chop your mouth. You are going to ride this bicycle to your auntie's place and stay there. At the right time I'll come for you. Behave yourself. Argue with me. I have a way of dealing with you now. You think I'm playing? You think I'm joking? One is talking for safety of life. You don't want to see the point with me. Eh? The people of our entity have drawn their sword against us. You don't want this thing to enter your ear. Now, take over the bicycle. Go to your auntie Dembele. Wait for me. What do you mean? Eh? I cannot know. You see Aponike.
Ichanichi, Your Highness, why are you wearing a long face? You were the one who brought them to my palace in the first place. And you quickly stood up to their defense here. So why has it now become difficult for you to take them under your roof? Is there something you want to tell me, or you can't vouch for them?
Not that, Your Highness. I was not prepared for this. You know, I just married a few days ago.
Chiamechi, you just married 2 days ago.
Igwe, if only you approve, they are my fellow women. I will gladly accept them under my roof. With them, I won't feel any lonely anymore.
Azoka, is this what you want?
Yes, Igwe. Yes.
Then so be it.
Please get up.
You've done well, Azuka. Thank you.
Yes.
Mama. It took people 8 hours to fetch the bread for me. I can't get it from. Where's the bread? Where's the bread now? Go and get. Happy Mother's Day. Jiwayo. Jiwayo.
We want you to stop using the old one and start to use this one. We save from what we have to buy.
Hey! This is Umada uniform, but my daughter, how did you people buy this?
We saved. Mama, don't worry. Just start using this one.
Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, my darling. Come here, my children. Come. I love you.
Jiwayo.
Mama, where are you people coming from?
We're coming from Nigerian's farmland.
Shut up! Liar! What is that you're hiding at your back? What are you hiding? What is that? What are you hiding? Chinekemo. A boat paddle? Who owns it?
We
what? Who owns it? He said we. Talk to me now. Who owns this?
We acquired a boat.
Hey! Mama, how did you raise the money? How? How did you raise the money? You're looking at me.
It's from the work we do on people's farmland. Then we were laborers in the new church site. Then we'll be crossing over to the other village to pick the palm fruits to sell.
Hey! Hey! Che! How I wish your father were alive. He will be proud of both of you. Hey! I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Mama, take it easy now. Mama, I need to pound these people very well. I don't want any seed on it. Hey, I need to pound it well. Then add water. I know. I will.
She's a strong girl. Yeah,
let me check. Check the pot. Mama, this firewood is very stubborn. Very, very stubborn.
Firewood is stubborn to our light. Which one is stubborn?
Firewood.
Firewood. If that firewood will not be enough, go to the backyard and...
No, it will.
Okay?
Yes.
Hey, I can't wait to eat this food.
Come and carry the melon, okay? Let me. I want Chimo.
Let's eat the sauce.
Okay, come to take water.
Aziza. Aziza.
Why is the village square this empty? Where are the people of Ametiti?
None of them is here. Not a single soul is here.
This is a slap on our faces. A slap and an insult to our king. And an insult to the king is an insult to the gods of the land. Ametiti people have beaten more than they can chew. And it's time to teach them that Bumbo is the elder of Ololo. Huh? Huh? Akabanonu Nsiaponike. Akabanonu Nsiaponike.
Sit down, everybody.
Akabanonu Nsiaponike.
Pour me a drink.
Ametiti, where are you people? Where are you? You make so much noise.
Azu, can I sit with you?
Why not? Sit down, my dear.
Azu, today is our second day under your roof. Despite the stranger that we are, you have treated us with unconditional love as if we are your true family. Nem, thank you so much. May the gods bless you.
My dear, when the nose hurts, the eyes feel the pains by shedding tears. And when the cup is wounded, the old lion retreats into the forest. It is only the heartless or one with heart of stone would harden his heart after listening to your story.
Thank you very much, ma.
You're welcome.
No, thank you very much. We appreciate from our heart.
It's okay, my children. You're welcome. Chimuga Ngozi unenugo.
Azu, we have also observed your quietness. You hardly eat. The sleepless night, the sorrows in your heart. I am a woman, so I also know when things are not well with another woman. Though I have a visible evidence to call you a mother, even when you are yet to speak about your family. What is troubling you?
Yes, my dear, you are right. You are right, Chioma. I grieve for my children. I grieve for Nana and Norma. I grieve for them. Come. Come on. Look at him lying down here. The David of Chukwuka family. The David of Chukwuka family. To the community, he was a dumb. But to me, and Norma, my daughter, he was a star. My son was a star. My son was a hero. I am a Jafuzo. Hey! Oh! Eberi atabi kidish. Eberi ebu isi aba. Eberi ebu. Look at my son. Isi aba. Isi aba see my son like that. Okay, no problem. Why is he not? Why is he not to be that like that? Yeah. It's too the world is wicked.
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Let me help you. Hey. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to bring this up.
This is
Biko.
Give me a
I'm sorry.
Hey!
Whatever your name is called, eh? What does the demon know about? I'm asking you, what does the demon know about love?
You can't talk again. You better carry this on 2 left legs and leave this way. Before my mother comes here to see you now. Better leave, oh.
What will she do to me?
What she will do, eh? You're asking me what she will do. I trust my mom now. She's going to skin you alive. You see this suspenders that you're wearing, eh? It will change from blue to red. Trust me.
Uju, they say that love is not a crime. But if loving you is a crime, I wouldn't mind to become a criminal.
Bam! You have said everything. A criminal, that is what you are. If I was the one that insulted you now, you say, Uju has insulted me. Uju is insulting me. You have insulted yourself. A criminal, thief, Onyori. That is what you are.
Well, I will not condescend to a battle west with a woman I love.
Yeah.
If Nayam Kebuna, knock them by. Gini.
Bam 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 bam. Go do like a man bomb.
Uju?
Beat me now.
Uju?
Beat me now. Sure you want to fight? Beat me. Don't go and fight your fellow man. It's your jumpsuit. Come and beat me now. You said it's a punk, eh? You will see it on the floor now. Idiot. Hey! Come on, carry your property, oh!
That axe is from our land. I know. And you know Mr. Han now. He is dead and buried. We're going to cause trouble for ourselves. But we need to let her know. Hey, shh! Don't talk. Just let it be. Let's go. See.
It's okay. Just pretend like you don't know anything.
What I told you. I told you people, that girl is just being psychic. Mom, at least now you can believe me.
But maybe the land this guy is talking of does not belong to the royal family. So we have to expand our search to other communities.
Nah, there you go again. What would my father be doing in another man's farmland?
No. As the king, he has the right over every community's farmland. He's the king.
I don't think this is the last farmland. There is another farmland at the route to Udiaka River. But I doubt the king goes there. I doubt.
Mother, I cannot forget this. The father told me not to take that route. Not even to talk about crossing the Mbiaka River.
Yeah. I now remember. I know the land. I know the land. It was your grandfather that farmed on that land last. Even your father was just leasing it out to whoever he pleases. It is now that you say that your father refused you access to that route that confirmed.
Yes. I have been to that farmland just once. And that farmland has 4 palm trees.
Yes! Just to tell you that girl is
that must be the land. That must be the land.
Mama, you don't understand.
Understand what? No, understand what?
Mama, do you think I'm happy?
Do you think I'm happy? What do you want me to understand? Am I happy too?
Mother, take it. You want to
Speak at once. Who is the she?
They didn't mention a name. But from their conversation, they are digging to find the missing king. And only a particular woman can help their quest.
And who is this woman?
Someone Obele. Go.
I will leave you now. But be assured there's still tomorrow.
And thank you very much.
And I will never rest until I have cause to do so.
Now, may the gods of our land guide your paths.
He say.
Okay, thank you. Please, may the gods of Amo bless you for me.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you.
Ichanka. Iyoro chancha yoro. Iyoro chancha yoro. Ụkwụ anaghị asị n'elu ada ma ọ bụ n'oge ya rụrụ. Nwata adịghị anọ n'afọ nne ya mụọ ka esi aga ije. Igirigi. The Ikoro has been disturbed for long, and this is the limit he can go. As we all know, the Afamaka day has never been a favorable day for the great Ikoro.
Obele, you've been saying this over and over again. Make Ikoro understand our situation. Persuade him. Pacify him. And if possible, force him to speak. The response he gave now, it doesn't give any hope. It doesn't elicit any joy. Please.
The ways of the gods are not carnal. That Ikoro is silent is because it is a wrong day.
Obele, why do I have this impression that you are nothing?
Your Majesty?
Why?
I have not disappointed you. The oracle is silent just for a reason. And as we know, the Afamaka day is just a day away.
You said I should count on him.
Obele, let me just tell you. Any oracle that chooses when to speak is not reliable and cannot be associated with greatness. That is it.
Edika, that is blasphemy. Yes. Bodike. Manambosi ife dike game. Acho dike acho. Nana.
Leave this house. Nana. Oyaka. Leave this. Nana.
Where do you get that bead from?
A gift from my grandmother.
Your grandmother?
Yes, my grandmother.
I see.
Amaka.
Welcome.
Amaka. Whom did you use this stick on?
Papa, guess who was here?
Yeah. Answering question with a question. I ask you a question and you answer with a question.
Papa.
For the first and last time, whom did you use this stick on?
Papa, Abogi was here. She was saying exactly the same rubbish she told you, Papa. But trust me now, hey, I didn't give her that chance. I had to use this to teach her a lesson of her life.
You did what? Amaka, you did what? Where is she?
Papa, do you want her to pack permanently into this house?
Oh, where is she?
Papa,
where is she?
She's gone. She's gone.
Where is she?
She's gone, Papa. Come inside.
I greet you, my elders. Good morning, my queen. My prince, I greet you.
Agunta, good morning.
Agunta, why are you panting like this? Is anything the problem?
My prince, as I speak to you now, Abu is crying under the dollar tree along the village square.
Hey! Very serious.
May the God be praised. May the God be praised. Hey!
Look at her. Hey. Look at the top of that tree.
My daughter, please, we come in peace. We come in peace. Please. The king you speak about is my husband. Please, where is he? Where is he?
The king.
Where is he? Yes.
The king?
Yes, he's my husband. And that's the son, President Nana.
Yes.
Please.
Nana.
You know.
Nana.
Yes.
My daughter, please. Yes.
Nana.
Where is my father, please?
You left us. You left the family.
Please, where is my father? The king. Where is he? The king. Yes,
the king, please.
No. Where is the king you told me about? The king at the farmland of 4 palm trees.
The farmland? The farmland of 4 palm trees?
Yes.
The farmland of 4 palm trees?
Yes. 4 palm trees.
Please.
Nana.
Oh yes, I'm President Nana. Please, can you take us there?
Why did you leave us?
I'm sorry I left you. I'm sorry. Please, can you come down?
I should come.
Yes, come down.
Yes, I should come down.
Yes. Let's go.
I'm down. Which way? This way.
Which way?
Where's the? That way. No, let's go up again.
No, please, my daughter, please.
No. Let's go like this.
Okay, thank you.
Follow me. Run.
Baby, come now.
What's happening?
Who is that person? Who are you? Come here. Come here quickly. Will you come here? What did you see?
What do you know? I didn't see anything.
You are not from this land. Who are you? For the last time. Now, who are you?
My name is Norma. I'm from Abani.
Abani? Abani is a distant land from here. Only the brave men and the traitors with hidden intention can cross over another land unannounced. Woman, what is your mission in my land?
Sir, I'm just a young girl. I'm just a young girl. My mission here is very harmless. I'm not a warrior, neither am I a traitor. I just came here to pick palm fruits, nothing else.
How can I believe you? When your arm speaks opposite what you claim. Now, show me your armband of peace, which can prove and make me believe that you are an honorable woman.
It's here, sir. It's here.
Oh. Now I believe you are a noble woman. Go ahead, fill your baskets with as many goodies as possible in my land. If any man confronts you, say to him, you have the permission of the king.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I heard you. Thank you. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Papa is right about Abogi Kuku. Even the king know about it. Stop saying it too. Hey! Come, Mama. Bring this thing. Okay, Mama.
Hey, good afternoon, ma. Hey, you are welcome, hey. Mama. Hey.
I'm still saying Highness, to go to war is not the best way to settle this matter. So let us find other means to solve this matter. Huh?
Mbakwe? Mbakwe? Yes. Leave my compound. Get out! Out!
Anguli! Angulika! Anguli! Oh, Onyinye! Okay, Mama.
She's seeing her friend.
Then go inside there, pack all our pack. We are leaving this Amokwe now.
Leaving?
Yes, we are leaving this Amokwe.
But why are we leaving now?
Don't ask me why. Do what I ask you to do. Can't you see my mood? Don't you know that?
Maybe why we are leaving now. Huh?
Aziza. Aziza.
Your Highness, this maiden has something to say.
Speak, maiden.
My lord, on my way coming back from the farm, I overheard Amaka, Ichiebere Dike's daughter, discussing with her mother.
It can't be possible. The first time I set my eyes on that girl, the impression I had of her was of somebody who was possessed. She's the kind of Obanje you can find in Igwe Case Lake. Yes. Cannot be possible.
Leave.
Move.
If he came in over the, if he came in over the, here go man over the. If he came in over the, here go man over the. What's the night is over there? Oh, when I'm ready, if he came in over the.
Hi.
Stranger, you stay too good.
Sorry. I mean no harm.
Why did you approach me?
It's about the stranger you talked about in the palace. Who is she and how can I find her? Okay, but before you speak. Yeah, you can have this. A gift from me, huh?
Thank you so much.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
You were about to tell me something about the strange girl. Where she's from and where I can find her.
No one knows her origin. She's a strange girl from nowhere.
Oh, okay. When did she get here?
I can't really say. But it's up to 12 weeks now. Are you okay?
Yes. I'm fine. I really need to see her. Where can I find her?
She has no exact location. She wanders around and sleeps wherever she finds comfort. Why do you ask after her?
Nothing actually. Just gathering information for the king.
Oh.
Yeah. I hope you like this.
I like.
You can put it on. Aha, lovely.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
She already told her about her before I got to her.
Hi, Amaka.
I'm sorry, my queen. I'm sorry, my elders.
It's okay. It's okay. Ugoma is still one of us.
She will keep our secrets.
Amaka, who again did you tell? Who again did you tell the story?
Just Mama here.
Ugoma.
Nine, I promise to keep it only to myself.
Are you sure?
Nine, I'm sure.
Sure?
And nine.
Thank you very much. I hope she'll keep the secret.
Now, the real question is, how do we find this girl again?
That's the question. How do we find her?
The search continues until we find it.
I shall confront Nana tomorrow.
No, take it easy. Apply patience. Pretend you are not angry. Apply wisdom. But when the time comes, you think. Tomorrow is just the Nkwo market there. Don't forget, Obele promised the great Iroko wonders will happen. So let's be patient. Huh? Be patient.
I'm losing it, Uncle.
I am losing it.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. We couldn't find her.
Ebenike, that is bad news. Bad news.
We searched everywhere. We couldn't find her. And from the information we gathered, it could be possible she's heading Ametit Palace.
Exactly what I was thinking. Your Highness, I have a plan. In that plan, that girl has an important role to play. So just be patient. Be patient.
Go.
Your Highness.
Come. Come.
A precious gift from the gods. Go in. Go in.
No! No! Please don't kill me! Please! No! No, I don't want to die!
So you can beg! You can actually kneel and beg!
Die! Die! No! No!
Ebube, where are you diverting to? Or is there an August visitor that you want to go and see in the village bush?
Obioma, what sort of joke is that?
Sorry, I was just trying to tell you that this is not the road to your father's house.
Amiibo. Amiibo. Okay, if you must know, I'm going to see Norma's mother and see how she's coping with those strangers.
Okay, see you in school tomorrow then.
Bye. Bye-bye, ma. Mama. Both of you should come with me, Mama. For what? What? Come on, see. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. Who is she? Look at this picture. Where did you get this picture? In one of the woman boxes inside the room. This can't be possible.
Who is she now? I don't know her from anywhere.
Mama, this can't be possible. Mama, Agboho Ikuku, the mad woman in our land, the strange character in our land. Mama, she's the one.
This can't be possible.
Oh my God.
Shut up. Listen to me, please, I beg you. Let's keep this to ourselves. Telling this woman is putting us into more trouble. Because let's just live peacefully. If we are Chinwetalu,
No. Odinaka, respect yourself. You better listen to Mama. Respect yourself, oh. You are Mama very mean and heartless. You are very mean and heartless. Yes, you are. Odinaka, Mama.
What has come over you? Are you referring to me and your elder sister as wicked people?
Mama.
Why are you making this?
Mama, what other words do you want me to use? If you are in a condition and someone else is holding back this information, how will you feel? How will you feel, Mama? How will you feel?
Oh, please don't patronize us. The question is, who killed Akudo's daughter? Where was your conscience when you killed Akudo's daughter?
I should be asking you that question. I didn't mean you did not visit Aziza's palace. We'll be facing out this problem. We'll be passing through it.
How did you kill Akudo's daughter? Why did you kill her? If you like, shout! I will shout! Both of you shut up! I will shout, Mama! I will shut up! You should shut up too! You shut up!
What has suddenly come over you? Have you lost your sense of reasoning? Where do you want us to go from here? Where?
Mama, I should be asking you that question. Which of the market did you sell your conscience to? Which of the markets? Tell me. You're becoming a sadist to a woman who helped you when there was no hope. You are living under her roof. You're even wearing her clothes. who have communicated you and your children, Mama. The only thing you and I own her is to help her find her happiness.
At the detriment of our lives, right? At the detriment of our lives.
Will you shut up there, your mouth? Shut up! Will you shut up there, your mouth? Did you ask yourself what clothes you are putting on?
Who cares?
Yes. Hey, baby.
Hey, you came. Good afternoon.
How is school?
It's fine, thank you, ma. I came to see Mama.
Idika? Where's Idika? Idika? You.
He is the strongest in the land. He rules with a mighty hand. He is feared by everyone. His eyes, his power, his God.
Aka Banono Msiaponike. What am I still doing in Amokwe? A stubborn fly always ends up in the grave with a corpse. Ijijin tike Nesuzwana. If Obela could end up this way, what then is my fate? I am leaving immediately. Akabanono Msiaponike.
Please. Tell me you are here just to mock me. Your information cannot be true. It cannot be true. At all. But please, I beg you. No. Please, I want you to treat this matter in an orderly way. Because she could be lying. She could be lying now.
Mama, I'm not lying. I heard them clearly. They know your daughter.
Dad!
Yes, Your Highness. Your Highness. Yes, Your Highness.
I have spat on the ground. And before it dries up, I want you to go to Azuka's compound and drag those 3 people here. If possible, go with the youths and drag them to this place. Go now.
Yes, Your Highness.
And you, go to the mountain of Igbo and summon the village chief priest here. Now, tell him that Igbo is a jack who wants to see him. Now,
yes, Your Highness. Go. Yes, Your Highness.
Take it easy, honey.
Aziza.
Aziza, Aziza. Aziza.
Forever.
Okay, Ebube, I think you should go home to rest now. Okay? You need it. Okija and Lolo will go with me to Azuka's place. Okay? From there, we will all go and see the people at Ubaka's palace. Okay? So I think you can leave now.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, my son.
Oh, I see it. You're also one of them. You're a coward. I tell you, Aziza, I am the greatest in the land of Amokwe, and I'm going to turn this town red. I tell you, I'm not joking. This is a warning, and this is the beginning. I will be back.
No, I can't give it away. Not even in this life, and not even in the next. I shall remain and live here as the king of Amokwe. Not even the trial or anyone can change the fate. Not even Ilulu.
Without holding back, she confessed everything I told you. And with that, I have every reason to say she's quite different from the other two.
Very well then. Prepare the palace vehicles. She'll be going with us to Amokwe.
No.
Break up the new doctor.
Yes, Your Highness.
Okay?
Please, I don't want to travel back to my land. Please, I beg you. Please, I beg you.
Out.
Please, please.
Out.
Your Highness, please, I want to go back like that.
Out.
Please.
I have been waiting for this day to come.
I've come to fetch my father's crown.
You're mad. How dare you?
I need my father's crown, Aziza. And put it in its proper place, Aziza. Where's my father's crown?
What an insult, Nana. You!
You're mad! Aziza, days are gone when the moon was afraid of the sun. It's either pathways for each other or darkness takes its place forever. Aziza! Aziza, where's the crown? You're a madman! You're a child, Nana. Die! Down! Down!
Please.
Get the crown, get the crown. Let's go! Let's go!
Welcome, grandmother. Welcome, my child. I've missed you, my daughter.
Then take me home. My soul yearns for a return. Take me out of this cruel place. I detest and despise the scent of it all. Please, mother.
Like the rose misses the sun in a winter, same way I've missed you, my daughter. Patience, my daughter. Patience. Your assignment is almost complete.
Thank you, gracious one. Thank you, the Supreme One. Thank you, Queen Mother.
I summoned you here through the moon of an important meeting, my daughter.
Speak, Mother. I am listening.
The mantle of leadership has returned to the palace of our life enemy. The generation of the king has denied us the chance of living together in the real world.
I was waiting for your order. What shall I do?
He's the last of their generation, the only seed of Obaka's son, the captive under the water.
I know him. He's called Prince Nnanna. He's our last target. When he leaves, you shall return to your palace under the water. Thank you, Queen Mother. I feel settled.
The air stinks of the stranger.
I know him. I know him.
He's the prince of Abwani kingdom. Yet he adores the bead of lights.
Have mercy, Queen Mother. He's a noble prince. He's harmless. Please spare his life. Please.
His nobility was the reason I let him live. It doesn't change the fact that he's the prince. My daughter, prepare yourself for the task ahead.
Tabota, you gotta go. You gotta go tere up. Ahu. Teta, ahu. Fetch her. Wait! Guards! Step on. Fetch her.
No.
Take her. Don't you think we're leaving something behind?
And what, if I may ask?
The pig.
But Okija, would you not come here with a pig?
Treasures are not always found in hidden places. Sometimes they are within us. And it takes men blessed with keen eyes to discover them. My king. Just like all the blind men who say, this is your son.
Hey! That's an insult to the priest. Now I can see you brought us here to mock us. How dare you, Okija?
Oh, Okija. I know of late I have not been really good with you. But like every mortal man, I'm not immune to forgetting things easily. Okija, but that is not enough reason for you to insult me before these palace servants.
Your Highness, you are just being the martyr that you are. Grab the pig before it escapes.
Why? How could you betray your own family and defy the sacred oaths over a tuber of yam and a ball of kola nuts? I could have given it to you if you had asked.
I am sorry, grandmother. I am sorry to have failed the family. I am sorry to have violated the sacred oaths. But this generation is of noble mind. Not like the past one. Not like the cruel one that drowned a pregnant maiden without pity. The one that snatched away lives on this river many years ago. I am sorry, Queen Mother. Please, forgive me. Please.
Forgiving you.
Thank you, Queen Mother. Thank you.
My king! The prince! Huh? The prince! My son! My son! My son!
No!
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. If we can man over the go man over the. If we can man over the go man over the. Osana chizi obodanyo, omenala banye mebiwo, onye ọbụla ụjọ, onye ọbụla ọsọ, ife ike mee n'obodo. Ife ike mee n'obodo, ihe ọgagogo mee n'obodo. Ife ike mee n'obodo, ihe ọgagogo mee n'obodo. Osana chizi obodanyo, omenala banye mebiwo, onye ọbụla ụjọ, onye ọbụla ọsọ, ife ike mee n'obodo. Ife ike mee n'obodo, ihe ọgagogo mee n'obodo. Ife ike mee n'obodo, ihe ọgagogo mee n'obodo. Osana chizi obodanyo, omenala banye mebiwo, onye ọbụla ụjọ, onye ọbụla ọsọ, ife ike mee n'obodo. Ife ike mee n'obodo, ihe ọgagogo